Here's a quick video to help you sign up for MyMathLab and start on your homework early if you wish. First, go to www.mymathlab.com. Then click on Register Now and Student. At this page, just click on OK, Register Now. For the course ID, you will put Mishal, M-I-S-H-A-L 54395. Click on Continue. Now at this point, if you have an account, if you used MyMathLab before, you can use your username and password. If not, you can click on Create and create an account for yourself. Okay, since I have a username and password, I'm going to log in. Over here, you have a couple of choices. If you want to purchase the access code now, you can click here and use a credit card or PayPal to purchase the code. If not, you can click here, which is to get temporary access payment for 14 days. I recommend getting the temporary access for 14 days, especially if you're not sure if you're going to keep the class, or if you're not sure if you want to buy both the book and the access code or just the access code. So I would click on this, get temporary access. Okay. Once you do that, you will eventually get into the course page. Once you get into the course page, you'll see on the left side, you have some tabs. If you click on video lessons, these are the video lessons for 1.1 and 1.2 that I've created. If you click on homework, you will see the homework for sections 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. If you want to start working on the homework before class, you're more than welcome to. And some of the problems, if you click on question help, you'll see view an example, which is something, which is a question that's very similar to the question that you have. So you can click on this and you can read what the solution is in case you get stuck. Okay, if you have a question, please feel free to send me an email.